we are here. We are looking at chapter 2, and I know that this could be a little overwhelming at this point, but here's what I really need you to take from chapter 2. We are going to be using multiple tools, including ChatGPT and Canva, and tools within those apps to create our task cards. So it's kind of just an overview, and I'm going to go into each of these in the later chapters, so don't worry if it's a lot right now. But the first step, the main step that we have to do in ChatGPT is construct a powerful prompt. A prompt is just what you tell ChatGPT. And to help you kind of envision how to begin creating the prompt that you want, I've included this resource that has 27 prompts that work well for task cards. So I'm going to click on this right here, this Word document, and I put it in Word so that you can actually edit it as you go, because as you see, these are just examples, but I've broken down the document by different content areas. English language arts, so let's start there. There's different grade levels and different content ideas, so please take some time to look through this. What I have by the numbers is the actual prompt that I came up with. It's just an example. Again, these are for you to tweak and make your own. That's the whole point of this. And then underneath each prompt is what ChatGPT actually generated for me, so you can kind of see the tasks that it is creating with the associated prompt. So create 36 tasks for the 8th grade ELA students to help them identify figurative language. So if I wanted to make a class set of figurative language task cards, I would come here. Now, I kind of tell it more because the more that you put into ChatGPT, the more you're going to get out. So I just want to show you this. I'm going to take this example just to show you what I mean. I'm going to copy and paste it. Again, you can edit it. I'm going to go over here to ChatGPT, and this works with your free account. It opens a new chat, and I'm going to say, hey chat, I am looking to create 36 task cards for my 8th graders. And again, I just want to test the waters. I'm going to put this prompt in here. And can you please provide what ELA standards this topic addresses for test prep? The more information, the better, and you're going to see that throughout this ebook. So I'm just going to send this off, and I'm going to see what I get. 36 engaging task cards, beautiful. Okay, task cards. It breaks it down into the different topics, identifying, analyzing, so we have our differentiation there, and then it lists the actual task. It asks them to cite evidence, and these are very basic and simple, but yet super effective, especially when it comes to creating that engagement and giving students multiple opportunities to practice in the classroom. So that's the first component, getting ChatGPT to do what you want it to do. To refine the output. I will go more in depth into this later on if I want to make this more specific or more customized, because the whole point of knowing how to create custom task cards for your class is that you're really meeting students where their learning is and helping them grow. So once Chat has given me the first, let's just say the first go at the task card set, I can literally tweak it and work with ChatGPT to create the ideal task cards. I love these. I would like you to give me a student example answer key for each task. Again, you may want to create an answer key. You may want to copy these task cards double-sided where the task is on the front and the answer key is on the back, and I'm going to show you how to do all of that. But here we go. Find a metaphor in a short story, and here's an example and the explanation. Boom. Task, student example. Done. Component to the ChatGPT tool and the content generation is to organize the content. This is the kicker. This is where the magic happens. This is crucial, and this is the step that a lot of people don't know about. That is the true time-saving hack. So copy the final output into a spreadsheet for easy transfer to Canva's bulk creator. Okay, we're going to go over that tool in a minute when we get down here to the bulk creator. But what I want to show you is how easy it is. A CSV file, even if you're not a techie person, is nothing to be scared of. All it is a spreadsheet. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say, thank you. I would like you to put all of this info in an organized CSV file. Column A will be task card number 1 to 36. Column B will be the task, and column C will be the student example. Let's send that off and see what happens. CSV file, don't get nervous. It's going to download it to your computer, and you can open it in whatever app you use, whether it's Excel or another. And this might look messy at first, but here we go. It's exactly what we asked for. We asked for, in column A, all of the task cards to be numbered. In column B, we find our tasks here. And if I just click on the cells, I can kind of look through and make sure that they're all correct. Actually going through and double checking ChatGPT's work is a pro tip because it can make mistakes. And then in column C, we have all of our student examples listed. Now this is a great example. Do you see here? And then it has these crazy characters right here. Are the light and my dark? That's not cool. Now, if there's one, there's probably multiple. Yep, there's another one. So here's what I'm going to do. Later on, I'm going to show you how to fix this with ChatGPT. But for all our purposes here, this is the CSV that you're going to use to work with Canva's bulk creator tool. If you want, and then customize it and prepare for bulk creation. Now, I have here in red, even though selecting a pre-made Canva template, I'll show you right here. If I just go here, task card templates, and I can go down and look at Canva's pre-made stuff. Oh, look how nice this looks. We've got some pre-made math task cards here. I could go to customize. And I could go to town, and I can still use the bulk creator and my spreadsheet using this. But what I want to show you is something far better. And I'll do that later on when we get more in detail with tips and tricks. But this is how you would use the Canva pre-made designs. I'm going to go back to chapter 2. And the last little bit that I went over here was Canva's bulk creator, the actual tool that is going to pair our ChatGPT content with our Canva template and create magic. So, right over here, you'll see Bulk Create. It's an app. If not, go to the apps icon here, and you can just search the word bulk, and it's Canva's not very fancy, but super efficient and effective bulk create tool. You would just open that in the document that you're working with, and when I tell you we're going to upload our CSV file, we're going to go down here to upload data, and you would find that file that you downloaded, and mine happens to be right here. I will show you the ins and outs later, just wanted to bring your attention to that tool. 2, just a real foundational chapter, kind of showing you and introducing you to the different tools, ChatGPT and Canva, that we're going to use to make all of your task card dreams come true. So let's move on to chapter 3.